You can also type function parameters and function return values. For example, we can have a function called print here, and we just have a message, and we can type this to be string. And then here I'm just going to have console.log message. So here I can say print I am awesome, and then here in my terminal I can run ts node, then the path for this is function types / index.ts, and it prints I am awesome. But then if I should pass a number and I run ts node again, well, now I have an error, and TypeScript is saying that argument of type number is not assignable to parameter of type string. Like I said, you can also type return values. So here I can say function total, and total takes numbers as a parameter, and I can type this to be an array of numbers. And then I can also have colon and type here again, which means this function should return a number. Then here I can say return numbers.reduce, and I'm just going to add everything together. So here I can pass total, and I can pass an array of 1, 2, and 3, and all of that works fine. But then let's say I put a string here in this array. If I run this again, we're going to get an error, and the error says type string is not assignable to type number, and this is the string that doesn't match the number. But then I can also leave this as a number, and then let's say in this function I instead return a string. Remember, I'm supposed to return a number. If I run this again, ts node, what we get is type string is not assignable to type number. We are returning a string here, but then we have typed this function to say return number. But then if I'm returning a number in this line and I am passing the right type for the argument, let's just say I do console.log value here. If I come here, I can run ts node again, and now we have 6. And you can pass multiple parameters. So this is one parameter. You can pass another parameter, message. This is going to be a string. I can also put message as optional. So that means you can choose to provide a message or not when you are using the total function.